we got a 1941 Willys Coupe with a wheel and blower on it. Just had it started up. I'm going to be able to hear it in the background at the 1912 Ford Model T video was running at the same time. You hear so it's got a wheel and blower, Elbrock carbs. You can see the flames, ghost flames, like a burgundy color. I guess you would call it, or ghost flames. Get a shot of the inside here. Lord of man, this is like a race car, big time. Looks like you know, something you see back in the 50s or something. Decked out. Oh yeah, look at the back end of this. A lot of work done on this car. A lot of meat under there too. Look at those wheels. Now you're talking. Wow. Freaking wild, man.